Alright. Last time I'm doing this, I already had like 3 takes so far because I forgot to mention some things. But I think I got it all down packed. Here we go. This is going to be a tutorial on how to stream to Facebook. It's going to be the same with any other streaming website, at least Twitch and YouTube. I know you just have to find your stream keys. Okay, so basically how you would do this: create a good quality stream to your Facebook without using your phone on a TV or something. You're going to want some software to do that. I use OBS Studios, so this is going to be a tutorial using OBS Studios to stream to Facebook. I'm going to show you what website to do that. I'm going to also post a link down below in the description. So you would open your web browser and you would type in OBS Studios, and it's going to be the first one. Just go here, click download, click your operating system, click save file, and mine pops up here. I think Windows Explorer or Edge will also give you an indication that it downloaded up here. Just click that and select the file and download it. Pretty simple. I'll let you go ahead and do that. Download it and open the software up. You make it a welcome screen. Just click OK or next or cancel, whatever. And then you will be on OBS. Now I've already set my OBS up. I've got a lot of different scenes going for different types of streams I want to do. Some of these won't, if I click on it like test, the screen goes black. You don't see anything. That's because, oh, now my main scene isn't showing. There we go. It just popped up. So you will have a default scene in here, more than likely called main or main scene. I've already edited that, but I'm going to start from a new one called main 2 that I already created. But you would create it by clicking this plus button, or you can just click on the scene here and add your source here in a minute, which I'm going to explain. But you just click on the plus button, you name your scene whatever you want. I named mine main 2, and then click enter and you're good to go. And then you may or may not have any sources. If there is a source, just go ahead and delete it, even if it's the same one I'm going to put up here, because I'm going to show you how to do it anyway. Okay, so you're going to need a source that tells the software what do you want to stream, basically. If I wanted to, I can stream only a specific application, like Firefox, like the Firefox window. Even if I had it, if I did that, even if I had it minimized like this, it will only stream what's inside this box. But I'm not going to show you how to do that. I'm going to make it a lot easier and tell you to just click that plus button and do display capture. Boom. And it's going to put a display capture thing in here. When you do that, actually it's going to pop up a little thing here. Let's do display capture. You're going to get this window that pops up. You can just keep the default name and click OK. I'm just going to click cancel. Actually, I'm going to click OK. Okay, boom. And then it pops up another one, this window here. Just taking up a lot of room. Just don't even worry about it. Keep it defaults and click OK. I'm just going to click cancel, and I'm going to delete this new one, which you can do so this way. Right click, remove. Yes. There we go. So you got your display capture now. Now you should see an image of your whole display, what you view on your monitor. And it'll show you every other application that you're running to. Like if you open Notepad, it'll show everything that you're doing. Alright, so now you got OBS set up. Not completely set up. There's going to be another section in here in settings that you want to go to. You want to open settings, go to stream, boom, and services. You want to select Facebook Live. That way it automatically selects the server for Facebook Live. It should know the server. So that way all you'll need is your stream key next. You have to have a stream key in here, otherwise you're not going to be streaming anywhere. And the way you get that stream key is through the website that you plan to stream with. So I'm going to click cancel and show you how to do that. You just go into your favorite browser. And I already have the website in here, so I'm just going to go to it, and you can look at the link here. You can either type that into your address bar, hit enter, and you'll be on this website. Or you can just select it from my links below. I'll put it in the description. So once you're on this website, you're going to want to click create live stream. And it may ask you to log in with Facebook or some kind of something, given Facebook permission or something like that. If it does, just click OK, yes, blah blah blah, because you want to stream. So anyway, once you finish that, you're going to be on this stream where it gives you a stream key. This is my stream key, and this is the default server for streaming to Facebook. We're more than likely not going to have to worry about this, but I'll mention that later. However, you are going to need to copy your stream key. So select your stream key, which you can just click in the box and it'll select it all. If not, just select it all, or right click and hit select all, and then hit copy. And now you want to put that stream key into the OBS settings at stream right here. It'll be not shown by default, more than likely. If you need to look at it, you can click the show button, but you shouldn't need to since you copy and pasted. So once you do that, click OK. I'm going to click cancel because I don't want to change anything on my side. And you should be ready to stream. Once you start, if you're ready to start your stream, go ahead and hit start. I'm going to note, always get your stream key and enter your stream key in before you start, or if you're going to stream again, the first time you don't have to worry about it because you're not going to stream, because there's going to be no stream key in your settings. So the first time it's no big deal, but if you're going to go back to stream again, just in case that the previous stream key is still active, which I highly doubt this is going to be an issue, because it gives you a new stream key every time. But you still don't want to start streaming while you go to this page, because then you're going to be streaming your stream key to whoever's watching, so you just don't want to do that. Just keep your stream key private. So once you do that and you hit start stream, you go back to this page and wait for this button to light up. Oh yeah, by the way, you can, up here, you can select where you want to share it to. If you have a group, a Facebook group, I wouldn't suggest groups if you're wanting everybody to watch it. Like, let's say a billiard group. If it's your own billiard group and you only have like 10, 20, 30, 100 people in it, it's only going to show to those 10, 20, 30, 100 people. But if you want more people to watch it, you just want to share it on your timeline and keep it open so that everybody can view it. and you can say something about your video like, yeah baby, I'm streaming this shit, you know, whatever you want. And then you can give it a title, and you can add some tags in case someone on Facebook's searching for something. Like you can say billiard stream billiard streaming or something like that. And then you can add another tag by hitting comma and just type in billiards, and then you can add another tag by saying 9-ball. Yes, I am theming this in the billiards theme because that's mainly for the crowd I'm making this video for. So you can just keep adding tags. It doesn't matter how many you get, I don't think. But anyway, once you hit streaming, you will see this button light up eventually after a few seconds, 10 seconds maybe. Once that happens, you hit go live. And then once you hit go live, I'm not going to do it because I'm recording with the same software that I'm using, but it may pop up another window with your stream. You will want to pause the stream on your computer if it is playing your stream to you. That way you're not streaming and watching the stream from your computer, because you don't need to watch your own stream. So once you got that going, it's streaming whatever you have on here. You can go to whatever website you want, like YouTube.
Success without integrity means nothing.
And
Every hour,
you can make this full screen,
be
and then
the
boom.
man of today.
So that's what you'll be streaming. It's pretty simple.
Well, Jay, we've got quite a contrast here.
I can't wait to
Obviously,
view some of
Jason
those
Shaw coming-
new Moscone Cup videos on YouTube. I can't wait. But anyway, that's pretty much it. I don't think I left anything out this time. Oh yeah, there was one more bit I did want to mention, and that I did forget to mention in the original video, which I may put these videos together and make one video, I don't know. But anyway, I use a mic. So down here you can see my mic going up and down. It did not recognize my mic when I first downloaded OBS. I had to, actually it did, but I wanted to change these settings so that I specified where it wants to find my mic at. And it'll be the same with desktop audio. It's more than likely you're not going to have to worry about it, but you do want to make sure that it is working and that you see a green bar moving up and down when you have sound going on in the background. For example, like that video. Let's go back here.
I'm Ryan, and I quit smoking with Shantix. I would doubt myself that I could actually quit.
Okay, so you see the desktop audio bar moving now that I got sound running.
I don't believe I could have done it without Shantix.
So you'll want to make sure that's running. If it's not, that means it's not going to stream audio to your desktop, to your stream. So you want to make sure that is running for sure. I'm not making this video for people who are using mics, so I'm not going to explain the mic, but desktop audio, if it's not going, there are a couple things you could do to try to figure out why it's not picking up audio. And the first thing is, if you're outputting, like most people will just connect an HDMI to a TV and they'll output everything through that HDMI. When you do that, your sound settings, which are over here, this little speaker icon, you want to right click that and hit playback settings. recording settings will have to do with mics, so we're not interested in that. But playback settings, you want to select that just to find out where your audio is going. And if you connected a HDMI cord, it won't show it right now with me because actually it will, because I have my HDMI cord connected to, I'm using a Samsung TV for my monitor. It's like 32-inch TV, it's pretty cool. But anyway, right now I have my sound going to my Logitech gaming headset, but since I have my HDMI connected to my monitor, my TV monitor, it's giving me this option for my Samsung TV. And so once you connect that HDMI to your TV, this will pop up or something like that. The sound may or may not automatically change to it. So you want to make sure it is changed to it. You can do this usually very easily, not by going into here. I was just showing you the more technical way to view your sound devices, but you could, it'll usually just pop up if you click this, if you're running Windows 10 or the previous version of Windows, whatever the hell it was. It'll give you a list of sound settings up here. So this would be my TV, this would be my headset. So you want to make sure you have the right device selected in here in order for the sound to come up on OBS. So quick and another recap. Go here to settings, desktop audio, and the mixer settings on OBS Studios. Then you click properties, and you'll want to select the device that see, there's devices here for the desktop audio that OBS recognizes. So you'll want to do this after you make sure your sound is all kosher on your computer, TV, whatever. And select the device where you have the sound coming out of. So if I selected this right now with OBS, watch what happens when I play video. So Samsung. Alright, so see, I got this video playing, same video I had playing before, but you don't hear it this time. See, volume up, volume down, you don't hear it at all. I'm just going to turn it off so I don't hear it. But that's because I had my device settings in OBS selected on the wrong thing to output audio. See, I'm having, in Windows, I'm having my audio outputted to my gaming headset. So it's not, so if I have my TV selected, the properties on OBS, like I do here, it's not going to output any audio because the audio is coming through my headset on Windows. So you'll want to make sure you do this right. So I can select my TV for audio.
We were talking last match about how they'd gotten away from the cut break
Now,
because the cue
audio's
ball had
coming
gotten
out
lost behind the
on
rack
my
a couple
TV.
of times, but you
Because
can
I
see
have it
that cut break's the way to go on this
selected on
table.
my TV. So now I'm going to go back to my headset.
A lot more pressure on Shane now.
And now you're not hearing any sound because I have my headset selected in OBS. So now I'm going to put my computer on my headset. Boom. Now you can hear it. See? Simple as that. You just got to make sure the devices are matching up in Windows
pull
and
out
in
away from that
OBS.
9-ball and go to.
Alright, so if you have any questions, just comment below and hit that like button if you found this video useful. Thanks a lot. Until next time.